This is my indoor flirt pole. Yes, I know, girl. This is my indoor flirt pole. It's made out of a pig whip. It's from Weaver Livestock. It's actually pretty inexpensive. About $17 is what I paid for it. At the very end, it comes with this plastic tip. All I did was snip off the tip here, remove this stiff plastic piece. It just popped right out. Burned off this end, and then tied it to another piece of paracord to a toy. It could be any toy. As long as your dog has a good prey drive, you could use any toy.
Done. Good girl.
Okay. Okay. Oh, good girl. Out. 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 Okay. Oh, out. Good girl, Margo. Woo, woo. Good dog. Ready? Woo! Ah! Get it, Margo. Get it, Margo. Yeah. Okay. Good girl, Margo.